Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap is a little bit different from what I normally do. I have got some machining in, but not a great lot. I haven't been able to spend much time in the shop this week. What with work being busy, and I've been going to the hospital to see my dad, who incidentally he's doing really well. He's improving all the time. Anyway, back to tonight's nightcap. I've got a little machining job in the lathe I do for myself, a camera modification. It's one of my jobs, it goes wrong. Anyway, we eventually get that sorted out. I do a little bit of plasma cutting. Yesterday I had a day out with Richard, so we steamed a wagon across the Beamish. It was its first run out of the season really, like a shakedown run. Things went quite well. I got a decent bit of video of that, and also some video of the various things that were at Beamish. Anyway, I hope you find that interesting. The first thing I'm going to do is the draw for the 0 to 2 inch or the 1 to 2 inch modern right micrometer. Put the name in here. Right, there's one. The name I've got here is Ian Taylor. Right, Ian, all you need to do is send me an email with your address on. I'll get that posted off to you straight away. Excuse me. I'm going to do another draw this week. This one's going to be for a 4 to 5 inch modern right micrometer out of the same set. That's it there. I'll get a close-up shot of that so you can have a go look at it. As I keep saying, it's just a little way of me saying thanks for all the help and support I've had. I've already got one of these. It's pointless having two. In fact, I have got two. I've got a mint brand new one. It's too good to use, and a one that I do use. So that's going to be this week's giveaway. You'll also get an 11 by 1.5mm tap. I've got enough of those to last forever. So that'll be going in with the micrometer. In fact, I'll put it in now. Get one with both micrometers. Every prize now comes with an 11 by 1.5mm tap.
He's not going to keep the tractor like he doesn't like it. You filmed me again, bloody hell. Come on, Nick.
Pumps off.
Thank you. Mr. West? Hold on.
Nice to meet you.
That's what I feel when I got over there with them. Look, I go, well, he's telling us being the main winner this year.
I had a real good response about the contents of the box of bits and pieces I got given. There was a lot of interest in this item here. I'll get a close-up shot of this and I'll tell you what I've been told it's for. Seemingly it's used for in clock making. That obviously slides in and out of there. There's another pin goes through there and you put clock gears on here and you set the mesh of the clock gears. There's another pin with a point in and you can transfer those marks onto your clock back plate or your clock plate where all the gears are fastened onto. There's one lad showed particular interest in this. I'm going to get it posted off to him this week. He can have it because there's no way I'm going to be making clocks. That's one item. The next item was this. What it is in fact is a tube expander. That pin goes into there and you turn the pin, that goes inside the tube and it expands the tube, makes the tube bigger. Be used for expanding say a tube into a steam boiler. I'll find a bit of pipe that fits on there and we'll have a little go and see what sort of job it does. It's for expanding 3/4 tubes. So we'll find a bit of pipe and see if we can expand a bit of pipe with it. Right, I've found a suitable bit of tube. In fact, I've drilled the end out of a suitable bit of tube. So you can imagine that would be through a hole in a tube plate in probably a steam boiler, or that fits into there, and this wedge goes into there. This has had a lot of use, has a lot of wear on it, and that turns into there, and that expands the rollers and makes the tube expand. I think it will probably be designed for rolling copper tube as opposed to rolling steel tube. But the wedge is going in. So we've gone from 19.1, 1948, so it has expanded it, and if that was a good fit in a tube, in a plate and a hole, once that was expanded it will certainly be tight. Actually see the slight taper on the end of it. So it does work. Once again, somebody expressed a great interest in that, so I'll be going to post that off as well this week. Don't forget, if you want to try and support my channel and help me run the shop, there is a link in the description box to the Double Boost shop where you can go and buy a Double Boost hat, a Double Boost jacket, a Double Boost basically anything you want. Anyway, thanks for watching.